Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Okay, just continued awesome bars. These are the Burly Xtreme Sweep, 8-inch pullback, I think 33 wide. In fact, 8-inch rise, 7.5 pullback. Okay, as you can see, beautiful U shape, look very cool on your bike. These particular bars, Kawasaki VN9. Okay, very cool bars. So if you're interested in any, give us a call. They will fit any Kawasaki. Like I say, the wires go through here, come out here I should say, and obviously being proper jobs, all your wiring will go down here out of there. So we also do a chrome cover that will fit across here so you don't see a thing. But very well made Burly, obviously top of the range, American made. If you're interested in any Burly products, we have got a lot in drag bars, you know, your ape hangers, your gorilla bars, whatever you like. Give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com or www.customcruisers.eu, the new site. Not a lot on that, but it is way better than the old site. Thank you.